Hi, this is Michelle. Welcome to the channel. As always, I'd like to thank everyone who has watched my videos, subscribed, left me comments, left me feedback. It is appreciated. Thank you very much. Today I'm just going to do a quick bag of the week. As I've stated in my previous videos, I don't switch out my bags every day. Most times I carry it for at least a week or two, just to get a feel for the bag. So today, or this week, I have been carrying the Dooney and Bourke Skylar East-West Tote in Florentine leather. The color is ginger. This is the front of the bag. This is the side. This is the back. This is the other side. And this is the bottom. It has 4 feet. This is a really nice bag. I picked this up on PVC. It was his purchase. I believe I paid, I want to say $190 something. The original price of the bag was $398. And like I said, it was an as-is purchase. Came in great condition. So let me just show you what, well first let me show you the inside of the bag. Now I did get a new bag organizer, or purse organizer, but I will show that later on. But this is the interior of the bag, and on the back wall it has a zipper pocket and a slip pocket below it. My phone will fit in that slip pocket below it. I carry the iPhone 6 Plus, and it does fit there. And on the front wall, you have the standard Dooney pockets, vertical pockets. Of course, one is larger than the other, but the smaller pocket does fit my phone with the case. And of course, you have the red cotton interior and the heat fob. And since it's Florentine leather, it's collared in the green suede all the way around the bag. This is a nice size bag. The measurements are 12 inches long, 10 inches high, 6.5 inches deep, and the strap drop is 9.5 inches. The straps are a brown tomorrow around the top, around this area, and then as it comes down towards the front, this is suede, which matches the suede panel in the middle. And it's really nice. And it has the updated Dooney logo, and it's done in the brushed gold-toned hardware. Really nice bag. Really nice bag. And beautiful color. I love the ginger color. And this is the bag that I wanted in this color. So, my bag organizer, which I just picked up from, I believe I got this off of eBay for like $5 and change. It's made of felt. It is, you can see it's bright orange. Love bright colors. And it has 9 pockets in this organizer. So you have 2 front pockets and then 2 back pockets. And both of these pockets are large enough to fit my phone on either side. And on the inside, you have two more pockets, about the same size on one wall. And then on the other side, you have 3 pockets. And then right now, what I'm carrying, my pouches from Michael Kors. These are this is my Saffiano mauve leather pouch from Michael Kors. And then I have my smaller pouch from Michael Kors. This is a blush pink color. And I'm carrying my wallet, which is also in the same blush pink color. And actually, this is the front of the wallet right here. I have my dad's glasses. I need to go to Walmart to get them adjusted. And then I also have lotion in here. And it easily fits in this organizer, all of those things. And then let me show you how these same items fit in this bag. So again, medium pouch from Michael Kors, and that easily goes in. And then my smaller pouch, and then my wallet. Like I said, this is a big bag, 6.5 inches, not big bag, but a bag with nice capacity, 6.5 inches deep. And then I also have this larger pouch, which I'm not using right now, so there's nothing in it. But just want to show you that it also will easily fit in this bag. And you still have plenty of room left for whatever else you need to carry throughout the day. So, like I said, really, really nice bag. And it easily goes over the shoulder. Let me just stand up. Easily goes over the shoulder. And you have good, decent clearance. Like I said, it's only a 9.5 inch strap drop. So, you know, of course I would prefer it to be a little bit longer, but this is good. This is good. So, that is my review for my bag of the week. If you have any questions, please give me, leave comments at the bottom of the page. And I thank you for watching. Have a great night. Bye.